finally. Yes, we've been waiting for hours for you to wake up. We never thought you would. Me and your friends. We've been waiting a long time. Well, we need to get you ready for the date, don't you remember? It's okay. You've been asleep a long time. You might not remember everything. It's okay. You're still in a daze. It's okay. I'm here. I'm going to get you ready for the day, okay? Of course, you're my best friend. I'd do anything for you. Besides, it's such a lovely day. Isn't it just beautiful? Yes, we're gonna have so much fun today, but first, of course, we have to get you ready. Why don't we start by just wiping your face off, okay? Just getting some little eye boogers that you have. It's okay, we all get them. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Are you okay? Oh no, I didn't say anything. It's okay. Like I said, you're still sleepy. It's okay. So, did you have any good dreams? You don't remember? I hate when that happens, when I don't remember my dreams. So annoying. So, I'm just gonna okay, you look much more refreshed. I'm just gonna put that away. So next I'm just gonna put some serum on you, okay? Just gonna go. Perfect. So, we're just gonna wipe that in for you, okay? Yeah, I don't know. I keep trying to get them up and nothing is working. I don't know. They're not. It's like they're not there or something. I don't know. Are you feeling okay? You look a little dazed again. Maybe I should have let you sleep longer. It's okay. It's okay. We're gonna get you ready and you're gonna be well awake for the very beautiful day we have ahead of us. We're going to a birthday party. Yes, for your friends. They're still waiting on you. They missed you so much while you were sleeping. It's okay. Let's move on to the makeup now, okay? Let's do a little bit of foundation for you, okay? It's good. Look, it's so nice and blended. Perfect color. I love when that happens. Please wake up, please wake up. Are you okay? You almost look like you blacked out. I won't let your friends know, but they're watching. Yeah, I wouldn't make them upset. Smile. You getting ready for a fun day? And then I'm just gonna go like this. what we like here. Perfect. I'm just gonna put some glitter on you, okay? I love it. You look so ready for your birthday party. Wake up. Oh my god. You're sleepy? You just woke up, silly. Like I said, you just need to get ready. How much we do to wake up? You're acting so weird. I just want to do your makeup and get you ready. There's no need to act like that. We just want to do your mascara now. Can't be ready for a party without mascara and lip gloss and blush. So hold still for me, just blink, 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 blink. Beautiful. It went on so smooth. I love it. Now, let's do your blush. Please wake up, please wake up, please wake up. You need to quit doing that. You're starting to scare me. And you don't want to scare them, do you? No. It's okay. Just smile. And we're just gonna put that all over your face, okay? Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Now, I'm just gonna use this again for your lip gloss, okay? Like, pucker up for me. Perfect. Just perfect. Your friends are gonna be so happy. They're already so pleased with you. Now, let me just clip back your hair, do a little style, okay? You just want to hold back for me. I'm just gonna clip, 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 just clip your hair. I'm just gonna clip, clip, and clip your hair, okay? Okay, perfect. Absolutely perfect. But I think they're getting up. Wait, get up. No, come, wait, get back. No, wait, come back. Don't go back to sleep. You don't want to go back there. Look at everything here that we have for you. Just look. It's perfect here. You really want to go back there to sleep? I don't think so. Wake up, please wake up, wake up. You see, it's already too late for you to go back. Let's just go to Wingstop or something. You see, they're already giving up. We never gave up on you. We always wanted you here. We think you're perfect. Just perfect. Not like you have a choice, really. You have to stay here. You belong here with us now. What do you think your little makeover was for? You'll stay here forever with us. You look just like your friends now. Well, I look like your friend, but I look like your friends too. belong.